G'day everyone, it's Woody here. Hey listen, I'm sorry if this sounds like I'm whinging, but I'm a little bit pissed off at the moment. As some of you know, I do a fair bit of travelling for work, and I travel by myself. I don't take anyone with me. I am pretty much 98% independent. Sure, there's a few little things I need a hand with, but I'm getting a little bit annoyed with hotels and other services that say that they're wheelchair friendly or wheelchair accessible when they're absolutely not. Okay, so I booked a room in the place where I'm staying, and I've got to stay here for 2 nights. I turn up and have a look at this. This is their idea of a wheelchair accessible room. That's a timber ramp covered in carpet, and that's the only way that I can get in and out of the room for the next couple of days. Now that's crap. But hang on, it gets worse, because have a look at this. You got a little narrow footpath there, and the cars park right next to it. So I just want to show you how it's supposed to work. I'll put this down here. So, oops. Right, so I'm supposed to be able to get up and down that ramp. Now, there's a car parked right behind me, so I can't get a run up to get up the ramp. And the ramp is just too steep. Have a look at this. There is no way that I can push my wheelchair up that ramp. That is absolute crap. So, I don't understand, actually I'll stay back here. I don't understand how they can sell this as a wheelchair friendly or accessible room. It's just bullshit, and I'm over it. I don't mind if somebody says to me, look, I'm sorry, we don't have a room that, would work for you, because that gives me the option of finding somewhere else. But they say that they've got an accessible room, I book it, and then I turn up and it's just not. That's crap. If you offer any service or accommodation that is accessible, make sure it's accessible. Get someone to check it and get it tested properly. Get me to come out and I'll tell you if it's accessible or not. So anyhow, wish me luck for the next couple of days.